In northern Kenya, in the Shaba Reserve, lives a very peculiar species of bird, the secretary bird. Despite their appearance, they are birds of prey and very specialized hunters. There is very little rain in Shaba, but when it reappears, the savannah immediately recovers. The yellow quickly turns to green, and there are a lot of things to be done. Gathering material and preparing the home for starters. These elegant birds build their nest using branches they collect. Though they both work, collection is above all the responsibility of the male. He collects and transports them, and she very carefully puts them in place. It's the mating season, and the male and female treat each other with delicacy, courting and eventually seducing each other. At the top of an acacia, they build their enormous nest. This they do in full view, but they are rather more modest when it comes to sex, and no one has ever seen them mate. What we do know is that they lay no more than 3 eggs. If all 3 survive, there will be a large secretary family. And in order to take care of their family, they have to eat well. Nothing better than hunting insects together, but like the birds of prey they are, they also appreciate the odd little feline or unsuspecting rodent. This feathery skater knows very well what he's looking for. The savannah is a true larder. With great vigor, the beak goes into action. There's space for everyone. The kite is a cousin of the secretary birds, a short but strong relative who requires no invitation to join in the meal.